church sa Alamino City sa pamumuno naming mag-asawa ay nagsimula sa isang garahe noong December 26, 2003. 6 months later, we were forced to leave our church garage. Wala kaming nahanap agad na malilipatan, so for 2 months, we conducted our worship service in our living room until we found a space for us to gather every Sunday.
2006, we had our first Sunday. Then the following year, we had our second daughter, Sarah. Magkasunod, so tumindi ang financial struggles namin. One time, tinawagan kami ni Pastor Carlo. Sabi niya, Lods, grabe ang growth ng Destiny ngayon dahil sa G12 Vision. He wanted to help us grow our ministry too. But my mind was not renewed at that time. I thought that my ministry now will be with my kids.
But praise God, hindi kami pinigilan ni Pastor Carlo. And he invited us to attend the first National G12 Conference last November 2007 at Cuneta Astrodome, where we first met Pastor Cesar Castellanos. God began to transform our lives. First, our devotional life dramatically changed. Our first love for the presence of God and His Word was revived. Second, God fixed our marriage. I'm telling my wife that I love her and I promise to make her the happiest woman in the whole world. We began to enjoy our relationship and the burden of the ministry became lighter. The next thing we did is to dream to transfer to a bigger place to get the 3rd floor of McDonald's. Mukhang imposibleng makuha namin yung space kasi ang initial na offer sa amin ay 50,000 a month. And the church can't afford it. But through God's grace and favor, the space was given to us because nothing is impossible to those who believe.
We were very excited to fill the place with people, so we worked harder and began to teach our people about winning souls and making disciples. As we begin to share to our people the great dreams that we have received from God and challenge our people to win souls and make disciples, 50% of our people left the church. Napakasakit ng pinagdaanan namin. We struggled both emotionally and financially. But we realized that God has to allow us to go through this so He can form in us His character and become the great pastors we were meant to be.
Pagpasok ng 2012, God gave us this remover from Zechariah 8 verse 15. But now I am determined to bless Jerusalem and the people of Judah, so don't be afraid. We took this message personally and said, but now, 2012, God is determined to bless my family and the people of Descendants Alamino, so I don't have to be afraid. Last July, God led us to look into our Sunday attendance because He was about to bless it. Na-realize namin na from January to July, ang average attendance lang namin ay 77. So we gathered the leaders of the church and we all agreed to set the goal of 150 for the month of August. And on the last Sunday of the month, we were able to reach our goal with 156 attendance. We gathered again our disciples and set the goal of 225 for September. Last October 7, we had 268 as our highest attendance so far. That's an additional 200 in just 2 months.
God began to open up many doors for us. We opened up macro cells in the national high schools where our youth leaders are ministering to 300 students every week. Last October 16, one of my disciples on the 144 level gathered 200 mothers in our church. They all accepted Christ, and some of them are now attending our services in cells. We also have cells in PSU, Past College, EDA School. We have cells with mothers, and we also have cells with fathers. Another blessing is that our kids began to enjoy our church life. Dave, our 6-year-old son, started to do his daily devotions last June 12. He's doing it every day, and he's enjoying it.
And of course, God gave us a strong and committed men's network and beautiful and faithful leaders in the women's network. These leaders are our real children given to us by God. We love them so much, and together we will conquer Alaminos City for Christ. I am Pastor Sandy Padilla, and this is my wife Lotis.
Alaminos City is our promised land. Our dream is to build a 20,000 capacity church with at least 50,000 strong leaders. We are God's descendants, and we are born for this.